Hey, what is up guys? So today I'm back with the next video, and today I'm going to talk about deals on the Mac. So the iMac, if you're looking for a Black Friday deal, then this is the video for you. So stay tuned and subscribe. So let's get right into it. Also, I did a video on iPhone deals, iPad deals, the Apple Watch deal and the AirPods deal, and also a Beats deal. So you guys can check those out. Those are for Black Friday 2020. So with that said, let's get right into the video. So the 13-inch MacBook Pro with the M1 chip, that's the one that came out the other way, and that comes with 8 gigs of RAM, 256 gigabyte SSD storage. It's $1,249 at Amazon. The usual price is $1,199. So you're saving like a $50 right there. It is not big, but it is a deal. And the same model is also on sale at B&H for the same price. The 13-inch MacBook Pro with the M1 chip, 8 gigs of RAM, 512 gigabytes of storage is $1,449 at Amazon. And also you're saving $50 right there, because the usual price is $1,499, and this is also available at B&H. That's B&H Photos. And then again, the 13-inch MacBook Pro with Retina Display, the 8 gigabytes of RAM, 512 gigabytes of SSD, a quad-core 8 Gen Intel i5 processor, and an integrated Intel Iris Plus graphics is $1,149 at B&H. The usual price is $1,229. So you're saving some good money right there, even though you're still paying a lot for it. But I mean, a deal is a deal. So with that said, moving on, the 13-inch MacBook Pro with Retina Display, 8 gigabytes of RAM, 512 gigabytes of SSD, and a 8 Gen quad-core Intel i5 processor and a integrated Intel Iris Plus graphics is $1,349 at B&H. The usual price is $1,499. So again, you're saving a lot there. And with the 13-inch MacBook Pro, these are all 13-inch MacBook Pro that I'm talking about. That is $1,649 at B&H Photos. So with that is the 16 gigabytes of RAM, 512 SSD, and a quad-core 10th Gen Intel i5 processor. That is $1,649 at B&H. The usual price is $1,749. So you're saving like $100 right there. $100 can go way far. You can buy some accessories to go with that or something with that $100 that you're saving. And last but not least is a 13-inch MacBook Pro with a Retina Display, 16 gigabytes of RAM, 1 terabyte of SSD storage, a 10th Gen quad-core Intel i5 processor, and an integrated Intel Iris Plus graphics is $1,799 at B&H. The usual price is $1,999. So you're saving like $200 right there, which is pretty good. So that's basically all the deals that you can get for Black Friday, and all these 13-inch MacBook Pros at B&H. It is not on Amazon, so I will link those about down below also. And what you guys need to know, they're putting the new M1 chip that Apple just released like 1 week ago. I don't know if it's like fully releases yet, but that 13-inch MacBook Pro is on sale already, which is pretty crazy, even though it is just $50 off. But if you're into that, go check it out. If you watch MKBHE review, you realize that it is actually worth it and all those stuff. So go ahead and check it out and get it. So that's it for this video, guys. I did a video on iPhones and iPad deals. I did a video on AirPods deals. I did a video on Beats deals, and I did a video on Apple Watch deals. And those will be linked down below. You guys can go check them out if that's something you're into. But until then, that's all I have to say, guys. Thank you guys for watching. Until my next video, guys, I'll see you guys when I see you guys.